Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my hair, as you can see. So the product I'm going to be using will be the Eco Styler, this one, water. I'm gonna use my sponge. I think I have two of those, and also my oil. That's all. So I'm gonna use my oil, don't mind me. Use my water. And now we're gonna use Eco Styler. You can also put leave-in conditioner if you want to, but for this one I'm not going to add any. So now I'm going to spray, and then I'm just going to work it. Okay, you guys, so I will come back when it's all kind of a little bit dry and try to pick it out, and then yeah. So I'm going to spray. Okay, you guys, so my hair is a little bit dry, so this is how it's looking. I did pick it out and stuff like that, so this is how it's looking, and I'm on my way out. Hope you like it. Okay, so that is it. More tutorials. I know my hair is growing out, my roots some more, like, but I really do like the tone, you know, the two tones, or two-tone, yeah. So I like the two colors, you know, with the blonde on top and the black underneath. So I really like the tone, so, or the color, I don't know, one of them. So yes guys, so I will see you on my next one. Bye now. Okay.